In today's fast-paced world, the demand for sustainable and high-quality packaging solutions is on the rise. This is where Jiangyin E-Better Packing Company, Litiqi, comes into play as a leading manufacturer of aluminum bottles, aluminum atomizers, jars, and other special containers for global consumer brands in the food industry. Introducing our latest innovation in technology, the Perfume Atomizer. Crafted from 100% new raw materials, our Perfume Atomizer is not only durable and long-lasting, but also environmentally friendly. Available in 8 milliliters, 10 milliliters, and 20 milliliter sizes, our Perfume Atomizer offers versatility to suit your individual needs and preferences. The versatility of E-Better's product range makes them a one-stop shop for all packaging needs. Whether it's aluminum bottles, atomizers, jars, or other special containers, E-Better offers a comprehensive selection to cater to diverse requirements. In conclusion, Jiangyin E-Better Packing Company Limited stands out as a top choice for companies seeking sustainable, high-quality packaging solutions. By choosing E-Better, companies can not only enhance their brand image with eco-friendly packaging, but also ensure the safety and satisfaction of their consumers.
FindSupply, a completely non-profit foreign trade service platform.